Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic NanoCAD tutorial how to use stretch command. For example, I will draw rectangle, and if you want to stretch, you can type stretch, press enter. Now I will sort in the right of this rectangle like this. Enter again. For base point, I will click in here and you can stretch into the right like this, or you can move to the left, make it more small and more bigger. If you want to stretch to the top, you can tap stretch again. And I will select in the top here. We can move to the top to stretch the object. Okay, that's it for basic NanoCAD tutorial, how to use stretch command. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.